in the world of real estate, we are uh, un or underinsured as people. It's just a fact. We're self-employed. We are the largest trade organization globally with 1.4 million people. I need you to have integrity in yourself and in your business. If you do not feel well, go to the clinic and deal with the bills after the fact. But you owe your clients undivided loyalty, putting their needs and their wants before your own, and that includes your health because it's a client agency relationship. If you don't feel well, and Latalo posted this, so this is Latalo, this is a tribute to you. He made a post. Essentially, he's the listing agent. A buyer's agent went over to the property with the buyer and the home inspector. And because his buyer, his client, the buyer's agent client started coughing, decided it was a good idea to leave their client and someone else's listing with the home inspector. That ain't acceptable on no day because that is your client. So if you don't feel well and you know you can't do your job, that means you cannot fulfill your fiduciary responsibilities to your client. That client is your responsibility. It is not Latalo's responsibility. It is not the seller's responsibility. It is not the listing agent's responsibility. And so I'm going to be honest, I don't know who you are, but I think that they should file a complaint against you with Illinois license law as a realtor member under the code of ethics, because it is not acceptable for you to leave your coughing client in someone else's house. You were supposed to tell your client, look, I have a fiduciary responsibility. I owe you undivided loyalty. It is not fair to anyone else for you to be on the premises. You go home and I'll stay here with your home inspector. That's how that was supposed to be handled. Let me just be clear with you. So it ain't acceptable for you to leave your client anywhere in anyone else's property. And if you think your clients are sick or you are sick, that's your responsibility as an agent. So one young lady commented, well, his health was at stake. No, he owes his client undivided loyalty. The client comes first. I don't care if you are sick. Don't bring your sick butt out and cancel the appointment. That's how you handle that situation. That was not acceptable. So yeah, you heard that. Oh wow, right? I'm thinking to myself, what kind of nonsense is this? So whatever, I hope you watching this, Mr. Buyer agent, you're dead wrong. And I would file a complaint against your butt for leaving your coughing butt client in my listing and not protecting the security of the house, but also of my seller. You should have told your buyer, take your butt home, boo. I'll handle this home inspection. We'll send you a report with photos. Oh, and you can access it online.